Are all viral recipes really good? We are about to test one of them, the cucumber salad one. It became viral several times, and we are going not only to test it, but put a spin on it. Let's cook. We start by chopping a whole cucumber. You can do rounds. I like to do in small pieces. Add some chopped celery. Chop onions. I let them sit in water for a little bit so they are not too strong. Fake crab, cani, and whatever else they call. Who knows what's inside, but it tastes really good. Gergeling sesame seeds. Some ginger. I have in powder. You could use also pickled ginger. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Here I have 1.5 tablespoons of light mayo. 1 spoon of cream cheese. Ooh. And a little bit of wasabi. You can have that in powder that you turn into a cream like I have here, or you can buy the cream in itself. Now you close your container with a lid. It can be any kind of container, by the way. And then you shake it, and then you shake it, and then you shake it, and then you shake it. And perfecto! Now let's check it out. I'm really curious about this one. It was very good. Now, I have to tell you one thing. Because I'm not wearing glasses, instead of putting 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, I ended up putting 4, which is more than it was in the viral recipe. Well, I have to tell you, it's perfect. Very good. You can now proceed